Welcome to the Piranha Pit Fish Farm. This segment here, we're teaching fish to eat Captain Crunch. Or we're trying. Okay, that's a handful of bread I'm tossing out there. See if they have any reaction to that. Boom. Pretty quick. They ate it right up. Alright, let's get some of the Captain Crunch and toss that out there. Pretty slow to react. There's one taker.
Ow! Son of a biatch! That hurts the top of my mouth.
Okay, let's throw some bread out there again. Pattern here. Bread's in the water. Boom. They're on it. Pow pow. Yep. They like the bread. Alright, let's get some Captain Crunch. Out it goes.
Ow! That's like eating bumblebees. Owie! Gosh, that hurts.
Alright, there goes some bread. Pow, pow, pow. Yep. Boil in that water. Eat the bread, but not so much the crunch. Yeah, I'm pointing out there's plenty of crunch floating around out there. All right, let's get a handful of bread and toss it out there. This is bread. Boom, they're hitting it before it even hits the water. They're jumping out of the water to get it. Pow. Give them the fish call sound. All right, let's get some Captain Crunch together here. There it is, Captain Crunch. Tossing it out, boss. Nothing. Well, they can certainly tell the difference from underwater. I don't know how, that water's pretty dirty. I guess they got really good eyesight though. Giving them the fish call. No reaction. Alright, we're going to get some bread together here. There's a handful of bread. Out it goes. Boom. They're hitting it. There's some Captain Crunch. No takers at all. I wonder why. Couple little nibblers out there. There's some bread. Yep, they're on that bread instantly. Not so much the Captain Crunch. We all love Captain Crunch. I like Captain Crunch. There goes the handful right on top of where they were feeding with the bread. It's like a grenade. They all just stopped eating. There's still some chunks of bread floating around out there. Throw some bread out. Bam! Let's see what kind of fish there are. Alright, I'm going to cast out there with a piece of bread on a hook. Come on, fishy. Bam! We're going to get a look at what's down there. Whoa! That's a nice sized sunfish. That's enough for a whole meal right there for one person. One little bluegill. And not so little bluegill. Wow. Well, there you have it. Bread versus Captain Crunch. And it does hurt the top of your mouth, but it tastes so good.